Hey, Gilly.
No.
So you think you need to go outside, buddy? Do you need to go outside, buddy? Okay. Let's see if you need to go outside. I don't think you've ever seen this before. Let's see. Move quiet. You bark at the snow. Are you gonna bite it? Are you gonna get it? Here, let's see. Go get it. Ah, go big boy. Go big boy, go get it. Go on.